Ever wondered how SNMP analysis plays a crucial role in hacking? Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of Simple Network Management Protocol or SNMP analysis. This is a tool that forms the backbone of network management and cybersecurity. In the vast digital universe, SNMP analysis is the compass that helps navigate through the intricate networks, identifying potential vulnerabilities and threats. SNMP analysis is not just about identifying the weaknesses, but it's also about fortifying them. It's a crucial tool in the arsenal of ethical hackers, those digital knights who use their skills to protect and defend. They leverage SNMP analysis to understand the network, find the weak links, and secure them before any malicious hacker can exploit them. So, are you intrigued about learning more about SNMP analysis and how it can be leveraged in hacking? Well, stay tuned. We are just getting started on this journey of understanding the integral role of SNMP analysis in the realm of cybersecurity. First off, let's get to know what SNMP analysis really is. SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol, is a standard protocol used for managing devices on IP networks. It's like a language that devices use to communicate about their status, configurations, and even alert each other about potential issues. Now, SNMP analysis comes into play as the process of examining and interpreting the data exchanged through SNMP. It's akin to eavesdropping on the conversations between devices on a network. By scrutinizing this data, one can gain valuable insights into the network's health and security status. In the context of cybersecurity, SNMP analysis can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it helps network administrators monitor their systems and detect anomalies. On the other, it could potentially be exploited by hackers to gather sensitive information and find vulnerabilities in the network. Now that we know what SNMP analysis is, let's delve deeper into its role in hacking. So how does SNMP analysis come into play in hacking? Well, SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol, is crucial for managing devices in a network. However, it's this very functionality that hackers can exploit. SNMP analysis allows hackers to identify vulnerabilities within a network's devices. By understanding the network structure and the information flowing through it, hackers can pinpoint weak spots and exploit them for unauthorized access. Let's consider a hacker who's keen on infiltrating a specific network. With SNMP analysis, they can monitor network traffic, detect abnormalities, and even manipulate network configurations. This kind of insight is invaluable for hackers as it provides a roadmap to the network's weak points. Moreover, cybersecurity enthusiasts must understand SNMP analysis. It's only by understanding these techniques that we can build robust defenses and protect our networks. After all, you can't defend against what you don't understand. SNMP analysis is indeed a powerful tool in the hands of hackers, but how do they actually use it? Now, we are going to break down the process of SNMP analysis in a step-by-step manner. Step 1. The initial setup. Before you can begin, you'll need to have a good understanding of the network you'll be assessing. This includes knowing the IP ranges, the devices, and their functions. You'll also need a computer with SNMP analysis tools installed. There are many available, both free and paid, so choose one that suits your needs and skill level. Step 2. The scan. Once your setup is complete, you can begin the scanning process. This involves sending SNMP requests to the devices on your network. These requests will return information about each device, including its configuration and the data it's handling. Step 3. The analysis. Now that you have all this data, it's time to analyze it. Look for patterns, anomalies, and potential vulnerabilities. This is where your understanding of the network and its devices will really come into play. You'll need to interpret the data in the context of the network's normal operations to identify potential threats or weaknesses. Step 4. The report. After you've conducted your analysis, you'll need to compile your findings into a report. This should include a summary of the vulnerabilities you've identified, their potential impact, and your recommendations for mitigation. Remember, the goal is not just to find problems, but also to provide solutions. Step 5. The follow-up. Once your report is complete, it's important to follow up with the appropriate parties to ensure the vulnerabilities are addressed. This could involve retesting the network after the recommended changes have been made, or it could be as simple as providing further clarification on your findings. And finally, step 6, the reflection. Take some time to reflect on your work. Consider what you did well, what you could improve, and what you learned. This will help you hone your skills and prepare you for your next SNMP analysis. With these steps, you can conduct your own SNMP analysis. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed about SNMP analysis in hacking. We started with a high-level overview of what SNMP analysis is. It's a method used to monitor and manage network devices, such as routers and switches, by using a protocol known as Simple Network Management Protocol. It has become an essential component in the world of cybersecurity due to its ability to provide valuable information about network devices. We then dove into the role of SNMP analysis in hacking, where we saw that it can be a double-edged sword. On one side, it can be used by ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen network security. On the flip side, it can also be exploited by cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to network devices and systems. The step-by-step guide provided a practical demonstration of how to conduct an SNMP analysis. We walked through the process, starting with the identification of the target network device, followed by the use of SNMP commands to extract information from the device, and finally, the interpretation of the gathered data to identify potential vulnerabilities or anomalies. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The knowledge and skills learned here should be used for ethical purposes only, to protect networks and systems, not to exploit them. This is a fundamental principle in the field of cybersecurity. We also touched upon some common misconceptions about SNMP analysis. Contrary to what some might believe, it's not a magic bullet that can solve all network security issues. It's a tool, a very powerful one, but it needs to be used in conjunction with other security measures and strategies for maximum effectiveness. Looking forward, SNMP analysis will continue to evolve and play a crucial role in network security assessments. It's an exciting field with plenty of opportunities for those who are willing to keep learning and expanding their skill set. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of SNMP analysis in hacking. Remember, the knowledge gained here should be used responsibly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity insights.